So, for today, I'm going to teach you how to create a database using command prompt, and of course, to create the tables in it, and how to use the foreign key to connect the two tables, to alter the table, and to delete a column, and whatever. I'm just going to show you guys. So here, I've already prepared a finished example, so the video won't be too long with all the typing and stuff. It would be boring. So to see the databases that you have in your PC, you'll just have to type show databases and it will show it immediately. And here I've created a new database which is called testing. Easy as that. And then to use the testing, you just have to type use testing. So after that, I've created the first table, which will be the parent. So create table, the name of the table, student, and the student ID. It would be the primary key, and the name varchar, which is 30. So I've already created it. So here, to describe the table, you just have to type describe. Really, the commands are easy and it's easy to remember it. So describe student. This is the contents of the table. And here I've created the second table, which would be the child. And you just have to repeat the same method. Create table, which is the name is grades, and these are the subjects, of course, English, math, physics, and the student ID. And this is how you use the foreign key to connect the two tables. So here I'm going to use the student ID, which I also have in the first table, to connect it together. Here I'm going to show you. So I've created the second table now, which is the grades. So here, to see the tables inside the database, you just have to type show tables, and then here is it, the two tables that I've created, and the grades that we've already inserted some data, the subjects, describe grades. And here, I've inserted the name of the students, of course, the datas, insert into student, the table, and then this will be the student ID, the name. So after that, I've created another student, which should be this. And this, be sure to change the student ID. Of course, that will be their ID. To see the students in the table, you just have to type select the asterisk, which corresponds to all. So select all from student. So it would show you the students, the name of the students that you've entered. And after that, if you want to add a column, for example, here I've created the surname. So you just have to type alter table, and the student just have to add column, the name of the column that you want to create, surname, and the varchar. And after that, it's done. Describe students again. Describe student to show the content of the table. So as we can see here, the surname is already here. So after that, if you want to delete a column, you just have to type alter table, the name of the table, drop column, and the name of the column that you want to delete. So here, the surname, I'm going to delete it. So here, I've already deleted it. And as we can see here, it's gone. So for example, if you want to insert the grades into the second table, you just have to type insert into grades values. This would be the grade for English, math, physics, and the last one will be the student ID to know which student has that grades. So for example, so we've already entered the grades now. So here again, to see the grades in the second table, you just have to type the select all from grades, so it will show the grades. And then okay, I've inserted the grades of the next students here. So to see the grades, I've already told you, so it's already showing the grades of the other students. So I've also typed again the command to show the students, because I'm going to show you that these are the student IDs now, and then these are the student IDs from the table grades. It just shows that it corresponds to the student ID. For example, Irish has these grades, the student ID, because Irish has the number 1 student ID, so it's her grades. And then for example, this is the student ID of Vince, so this would be the grade of Vince, the grades of Vince. So for example, if you want to delete a student, I've deleted the student, the name of the student from the student table, which you can't do because you cannot delete or update a parent row. You have to delete it first from the child table. So here I've deleted you just have to type the command delete from grades, where student ID like the number of the student ID. So as we can see here, it already worked because we've deleted it first from the child table. So after deleting it from the child table, we can see that here it was successful to delete the student from the parent row, because from the child table it's already gone. So for example, select all from student, and as you can see here, the student with the student ID number 1 is already gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.